The video today is about circle. Here we have a circle with two segments AB and CD. First, you must know that the colored yellow part here is called a disk, and we have a point inside the circle that is the center of the circle. So O is the center of this circle. Now, AO or OA is a radius of the circle. The radius is a segment between or from the center to the extremity of the circle. So we have OA is a radius in this circle, and also OB is a radius. Now, AB is called a diameter of this circle. The diameter consists of two radii. So diameter equals 2 radii. CD is called a chord. The chord is a segment that cuts the circle in 2 points but doesn't pass through the center. And we have an arc CD. Now, you must study that diameter equals 2 times radius, and the radius equals diameter divided by 2. To construct a circle, we use the compass. Here we have a circle of center O and radius R. So R is the radius of the circle. And we have 3 points F, S, and G. You can see that F is on the circle, S is inside the circle, and G is outside the circle. So let's compare the radius with OF, OG, and OS. What about the distance between O and F if we want to compare it with the radius? You can see that OF is equal to the radius because it is a segment from the center to the extremity of the circle. So R here equals to OF. The second point G, you can see that G is outside the circle. So OG is greater than the radius. And the last one, you can see that radius here is greater than OS. So you can say that F belongs to this circle or on the circle. F is on the circle. G is outside the circle, or we can say that G is on the exterior of the circle. S is inside the circle, or S is in the interior of the circle. Now the distance from a line to a circle. Also here we have a circle, and we have 3 lines D that cuts the circle in 2 points, D1 that have one common point with the circle, and D2 that has no common point with the circle. So D is called a secant of the circle. D is secant. D1 is a tangent to the circle because it has one common point with the circle, and D2 is exterior to the circle because it has no common point with the circle. And you must know that the tangent is perpendicular to the radius, means it make an angle measures 90 degrees with the radius. The area of the disk and the perimeter or length of a circle. Here we have a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter, And we want to find the area of this disk and the perimeter of the circle. So area of the disk equal to pi times radius squared, or radius power 2. And the perimeter or length of the circle equal to 2 times pi times radius. You must know that pi equals 3.14. So to solve the area, we put 3.14 times 2.5 squared, because the radius is 2.5 and the pi is 3.14. So 3.14 times 6.25, because 2.5 times 2.5 equals 6.25. Then the result is 19.625 centimeters squared. Now the perimeter or length of a circle equals 2 times 3.14 times 2.5. So the answer is 15.7 centimeter.